Hello all, welcome to Happy Learning. This is Yam Nirmala working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Applications, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. And today I am here to present about history of machine learning. And the agenda goes like this: the key people's contribution in machine learning, history of machine learning from the year 1943 to 2017. The key people contributions. The field of machine learning has been developed tremendously, and there are some key figures who have made significant contribution to the development of machine learning. Let's start. Arthur Samuel. He is widely credited with coining the term ML, machine learning, and was one of the pioneers in the world of machine learning. He developed a checkers playing program that uses reinforcement learning to improve its performance over time. Next comes with Tom Mitchell. He is a leading researcher in the field of machine learning and has contributed to the development of decision tree algorithms, neural networks, and SVM, support vector machines. He is also the author of a widely used textbooks on machine learning. Next comes Geoffrey Hinton. He is a pioneer in the field of deep learning and has made significant contributions to the development of neural network algorithms. He has received numerous awards for his work, including the Turing Award, which is often referred to as Nobel Prize of Computing. Next is Yoshua Bengio. He is another leading researcher in the field of deep learning and has made significant contributions to the development of neural networks and algorithms. He is a co-author of a widely used textbook on deep learning and has received numerous awards for his work. Machine learning was first conceived from the mathematical modeling of neural networks. A paper by logician Walter Pitts and neuroscientist Warren McCullough, published in 1943, attempted to mathematically map out thought processes and decision making in human cognition. That was the first step in the history of ML. In 1943, a neurophysiologist, Warren McCullough, and mathematician Walter Pitts wrote a paper on how neurons might work. That is the stepping stone or the starting point of machine learning. In order to describe how neurons in the brain might work, they modeled an simple neural network using electrical circuits, and that comes the beginning of ML. In 1950, the Turing test, the test which is of artificial intelligence proposed by mathematician Alan Turing. It involves determining whether a machine can act like a human or if human can't tell the difference between human and machine giving answers. Then in 1952, Arthur Samuel was a pioneer in machine learning and is credited with creating the first computer program to play championship level checkers. In 1957, the artificial neuron, which we call it as the perceptron, was created. The goal of the perceptron was to learn from data by adjusting its parameters until it is going to reach to an optimal solution. And in 1967, the nearest neighbor algorithm. The purpose of this algorithm is to find similarities between two items and determine which one is closer to the pattern found in the other item. Even in our day-to-day life experiences, we always go with the concept of nearest neighbor algorithm. If I want to reach to a destination, I always prefer to take up only the nearest route, right? And the cost also has to be effective to reach to the destination. In 1974, the goal of backpropagation. The purpose of backpropagation is to improve the accuracy of a model by adjusting its weights so that it can more accurately predict future outputs. In 1979, the first remote control robot was created. The purpose of the Stanford cart is to avoid obstacles and reach a specific destination. They created a remote control robot. In 1979, the cart succeeded for the first time in traversing a room filled with chairs in 5 hours without human intervention. In 1997, a machine defeats a man in chess. We all know about the IBM supercomputer, Deep Blue, defeated chess grandmaster Garry Kasparov in a match. It was the first time a machine had beaten an expert player at chess, and this caused great concern for the humans in the chess community. Next, in the year 2002, software library Touch. Torch was created by Geoffrey Hinton, Pedro Domingos, and Andrew Ng to develop the first large-scale free machine learning platform. That is how PyTorch evolved. In 2006, Geoffrey Hinton, who is called as the father of deep learning, published a paper, a fast learning algorithm for deep belief nets. This paper was the birth of deep learning. He showed that by using a deep belief network, your computer could be trained to recognize patterns in images. Next is in 2011, Google Brain. The group is as of 2021 led by Geoffrey Hinton, Jeff Dean, and Jobin Gharamani, and focuses on deep learning, a model of artificial neural networks that is capable of learning complex patterns from data automatically without being explicitly programmed. Then in the year 2014, Deepface. The algorithm is taking an input of training data such as photographs, where each photo is annotated with the identity and age of its subject. It identifies human faces in digital images. This was still being practically implemented in your Facebook. Next is in 2017 ImageNet Challenge. This is a milestone in the history of machine learning. The challenge focuses on the abilities of programs to process patterns in images and recognize objects with varying degrees of detail, and it was able to show an 95% of accuracy. That's it, and attitude is the little thing that makes a big difference. Bye from my side. Happy learning. Thank you.